Alright, so hello everyone, this is the demo video of the project Arden, which has to be deployed on the swellcity buildathon. Let's first go through the basic idea behind the project. So what we are doing here is we are providing users with insurance against potential DeFi risks such as smart contract exploits, bridging hacks, or Oracle failures. And the users also have an option to create a custom policy where they can enter custom details and descriptions about the events that they want to insure against. Plus, everything is integrated with EigenLayer, where the stakers on EigenLayer can vote as a DAO on whether an insurance claim should be approved or not. Let's go through the workflow. The first page is the register page, where user will have options to enter details about their policy. Here are the different types of insurance. First is smart contract exploit, then Oracle failures, then bridge hack, and users also have an option to create a custom policy. Let's go with smart contract exploit. Here I can say that I want to insure against hack on the Aave protocol. Let's enter the amount of ETH that I want to insure. Let's say I have staked 0.02 ETH and I want to buy insurance for that. Let's keep the duration as 30 days and enter the Aave as the protocol name. Now this get quote function will tell us how much premium in ETH we need to pay. So it dynamically calculates the premium from a smart contract. Then we have an option to purchase the insurance. So this was the insurance page. Now after we register an insurance, we will have an option to claim it. So let's go to the claim page. First we will need to enter a claim ID. Let's enter 0. Now we will have to provide some evidence, the evidence of the actual hack. So let's say Aave got hacked, so I need to provide evidence that it got hacked. It could be anything. It could be screenshots, it could be smart contract data, etc. After that, we will need to submit it. So let's enter any random values here. It's not. So now we have an option to submit the claim. Since we haven't bought an insurance, so this will likely fail, but it was just for a demo. Now there is a liquidity page. So in this page, liquidity providers can provide liquidity from which the payout would be paid to the valid claims. So let's say someone wants to provide liquidity of 0.02 ETH. If they provide liquidity, then they would get proportional amounts of LP tokens, which can then be burnt to withdraw the liquidity, and the premium paid by the user will be added to the liquidity pool. So this is the liquidity. Now this is the claims page, where the ongoing claims are displayed. Then there is an option to become a validator, where these stakers on EigenLayer can become validators. In other words, they will be responsible to vote on the DAO whenever a claim is submitted. So they will have an option to vote either positive or negative about the claim. They will have data. They will have access to all the data that the user has provided, such as the policy data and the evidence data. And based on that, they can vote on whether an insurance claim should be processed or not. So this was a brief overview, a basic demo of the project.